Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. First of all, like, share and comment the video. In this tutorial, I will show you how to design curve. Select sticker, change the color, select stroke option, then click color filter, huge option, saturation, select another photo, duplicate, select copy option, adjust the photo, change overall background color, select color option, scroll down, select image option, adjust the image. Now your design is ready. You can do it without any experience. Thanks for watching my all viewers. See you in next tutorial.